In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your tax-advantaged accounts in Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, go to your net worth page. This is where all your assets and liabilities are summarized. Your tax-advantaged accounts, like retirement accounts, are automatically grouped under the investments category, so you can quickly see their total value at a glance. If you want more details, head to the Invest tab. Here, you'll see each account listed individually along with its balance and the specific holdings inside, such as stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds. This gives you a clearer breakdown of how your retirement funds are allocated. If you notice that an account isn't categorized correctly, you can fix it easily. Just go to Account Settings, update the account type, and make sure it's labeled properly as a retirement or tax-advantaged account. This helps keep your net worth and investment data organized and accurate. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.